Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion regarding section of solids when sectioned by a plane perpendicular to vertical plane. And here I have taken an example of triangular prism of base side 50 mm, axis 50 mm, lies one of its rectangular faces on the HP with its axis inclined 30 degree to vertical plane. So axis inclined 30 degree to vertical plane means that plane is supposed to be below the vertical reference line, and it is cut by a horizontal section plane at a distance 5 mm from the axis. Suppose this is the triangular prism is there and the axis is like this, the axis point, okay, and here I can say suppose this is the vertical plane and this is horizontal plane where it is lying, okay. So if you can draw like this, so this will be our vertical plane and this will be our horizontal plane based on the position of this triangular prism, okay. Anyway, this axis is there and now it is perpendicular to vertical plane, and if you see the question given, there is an inclination of 30 degree to the vertical plane. Now this axis is parallel to this and perpendicular to this. We need to consider this is a inclination of 30 degree. Then it is cut by a horizontal section plane at a distance of 5 mm from the axis. So this is the axis line and we need to consider a 5 mm of gap from this, like that means the height of 5 mm increase here. So there is a cutting plane is there, that is horizontal section plane. So that is cut by the external plane which is above the 5 mm from the axis. Draw its front view and sectional top view. For this condition we need to draw the front view and sectional top view, okay. So first of all we need to understand what is the situation of this position of this triangular base prism, and first things we assure that the triangular prism is of side 50, these are the sides are there 50, and the axis height also 50 mm, same, both are same, lies on the one, it's a rectangular face on the HP. So this is the rectangular face which is lying on the HP, okay. Okay, first we'll complete this one, then we'll go for its axis inclined 30 degree to vertical plane. So let's go to the AutoCAD. So here I'll go for the page setup as per the our command, and then we'll go for the scale factor, and this is 420 and 297, and now I'll go for the selection of this line, and I'll just draw a reference line here, and after that I need to draw the triangular prism. So for that first I need to draw the triangle, number of sides 3, select the edge, and here select, each side is 50, and from here we just can draw, there is a gap of, keep some gap of 20, and after that I can take 50 mm axis height, and after that this side also again 50 base, again this is 50, and we can just close it here, and similarly we can just draw a vertical projectile lines to this. Similarly from the top of this also I can draw, and just draw a line here. So this is about the normal orthographic projection, you can say. So first of all, anyhow we need to draw the orthographic project view. That means we need to draw the front view which is a triangle, and we need to draw the top view which is obviously a rectangle will be there. So anyway, first step we have completed. So this is the first step of the diagram, and we just can highlight this, you can say its color. Now the next thing is we just need to copy this, and before that we can just mark some point on this text, we can give it single line text, and here what I'll do, I'll give the text of here some different points will give, okay, this is base point will be there, okay, I'll give 2, and this is 1, and this is 3. Similarly here we can give B point, and this is A point, and this is C point. Similarly in the top we can get here a dash comma 1 dash, and this is about the b dash comma 2 dash. Similarly here we can get c dash comma 3 dash. Okay, these are the points are given anyhow. Okay, now this one I just can give xy. Okay, leave it. Now next what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and I'll move to little bit, have a distance from here, and I'll keep it like this. Okay, and this one I need to make a rotation of 30 degree to the vertical plane. So you can see this top view, you can say this axis is going to make an angle of 30 degree here. Now it is 90 degree perpendicular, so we need to make it an angle of 30 degree. So I'll go for rotate, specify this point, and I'll give an angle of 60, so that it will be make an angle of 30 degree to this one. Again you can see there is it is crossing the line, reference line. So I'll take little bit down, so I'll go for move and I'll select this, and I'll just in that same line I'll just keep it little bit down. Okay, now so from here otherwise we'll extend this line like that. Okay, anyhow next what we need to do, we just need to project the line from vertically upward, and same line what I'll do, I'll just select this line and I'll just copy it from this base, and I'll just keep it in different places. Okay, yeah. Next one more line I need to draw which is from the apex point, and I'll complete here, and this one I can just extend it, and remaining other things we can just trim it. Okay, this is one part. Second thing is, again we just what we'll do, we'll just draw the line from here to here. We'll just draw the triangle. This is the base triangle, like you can say. One more is top triangle. Yeah, and this line now it is not required actually. We can just keep it to here. Select this line and keep it up to here. Similarly select this line and just keep it to here. This line also, yeah, just select line, stretch it up to here. Similarly this also we can keep it little bit down. Yeah, mostly we have completed. The next thing is select the line and go for this geometric center point and just draw a line. Okay, and this is actually the center line, we can say. So this one we can just change its other, go for load, and here it will be center line will be there. You can just select the center. One more line will select for our dash dot line, so this one. Okay, now this line what we'll do, I'll just select this line and I'll change its center. Okay, now one more line we need to do, offset. I'll do offset and throw and select this from point to how much distance is there, 5 mm height is there. So this line we need to change it actually, it's different. Yeah, you can keep like this. Yeah, now this gap is 5 mm actually is given in the question. The horizontal section plane at a distance of 5 mm from the axis. This is the axis line, you suppose is there, the center point line what we have taken. From there there is a gap of 5 mm, that is the sectional plane. This is the line what we have taken. Now so the next term is what we need to do, select the line and just project the line to downward. Similarly from here to project the line downward, and here also same, because that is the sectional plane which cuts the triangular prism, and we need to identify the sectional view of that. So these are the points what I got here. These are the view of that. I'll go for trim. This extra line I can trim it because already I got my points. So what I'll do, I'll just select a line, and if I start from here, I can start from anywhere. I'll just join all these points. Yeah, okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just draw the next sectional top view and what is the front view of this. So this is the front view actually. So we'll do one thing, I'll change its color and its thickness also. Select the line, I'll start from here. Yeah, this is one, and one more is this. Yeah, this line also you can just change its color, and its thickness also you can just increase it. That is one thing. Second, we need to give the hatching. So select the hatching, select the ANSYS 31, and we can just highlight. Yeah, this is the part need to be completed, and these other things also you can just highlight it. Yellow color, red color will give, and thickness also you can just increase it. This is the sectional top view part, okay, and this is the front view side, and the remaining thing also will just complete it. Go for this line, and this is by layer, and this is also by layer. So mostly we have completed, only dimensions are pending, and few other things are pending which are there. This is the axis height is there, 50 mm, and next inclined aligned dimension of that triangle. Next is the angle between this axis reference line and the axis of this triangular prism, okay, and this there is a gap of 5 mm is there, so that also you can select from here to here is 5 mm, and yeah, namings also again we need to mark it. Already we given this hatching point mark, we need to point need to be marked. So I'll just give for single line text, and here I'll give a point here. Here I'll give 1 dash, and this is a dash. This is one thing, and here also you need to mark it actually. So here we'll give 2 dash, and this is 3 dash. Similarly here it is B dash, and here it is C dash point. Okay, the new point what we got here after the sectional view, here also we need to mark it actually. So if we will give PQRS point, we can mark it. Yeah, PQRS, the new one we can give it there. So here we'll mark P, and this is Q, and this is R, and this is S. So similarly here it will be S dash, and this is R dash, and similarly here it is P dash and Q dash, and finally we can mark the vertical trace V, and this is T, VT, capital VT, vertical trace line. Remaining all the things I think we have given. If any dimensions or text are missing, we can easily identify from this. Okay, so I hope you understood how to draw the sectional view for this triangular prism when the axis is inclined to the vertical plane, because the condition is perpendicular. In the perpendicular case also, because other things will be parallel to HP, and simultaneously on behalf of perpendicular they can give the question in such a way that axis inclined to 30 degree to vertical plane also, and the sectional plane which is a distance of 5 mm from the axis, that also can be given in that. So I hope you understood how to draw this. If you are having any kind of doubt or query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.